Hey everybody, we are at the 2025 Milwaukee Media Event.
Yeah, they call it Pipeline. There's over 100 different products that we're going to get our hands on and show you guys.
Yeah, we're going to show you some stuff. Hey everybody, I'm at the Milwaukee Tool Media Event this year. I'm here with Wesley. Wesley, thanks for having us.
Yeah, absolutely, Rob. Good to see you.
So Wesley's in charge of heated gear, clothing. These are the 3 new heated garments for this year that are out.
The 2025 Heated Hoodie, the brand new one, actually is on the far right there. So we've got representing here our 15 years of innovation in heated hoodies. This was our very first heated hoodie that we launched back in 2013.
Years ago, yeah.
So knowing that hoodies in general, a huge part of the job, probably our most common garment worn on the job site for heated gear. This is really showing that iteration over the years that we've taken to it.
It's a big layering thing for us. So we're wearing it under things. So I don't know, I wish I still had mine. It's gone. It's vintage now. Then this is 2018, and can we walk over?
Yeah, let's walk over to 2025.
So let's talk through it. What do we got?
So the biggest thing, the internals behind the hood, bringing that HEXON Heat Technology that we launched last year in 2024. So you've got the best heat performance that we have on the market. Everything's going to stay warmer for longer and adapt. Fastest heat up, greatest coverage and contact, and then everything from the ground up design for all of the features. So you've got that full zip to chin hood.
It's higher here. I noticed that.
A lot more coverage, protection from the wind.
Yeah.
You've got these internal drawstrings, so that keeps it completely secure and away from external getting caught on anything. So you can keep that inside.
I cut mine off because of that.
Yeah, yeah, very common. We were seeing that a lot.
This looks different. The button looks different.
Updated button design. So the biggest thing with visibility and usability, it was shining out. So now these lights are actually going to shine up, so you can see it even if it's bright outside.
Oh yeah.
And you're going to be able to quick change and adjust that easily.
I also noticed you've got like a ripstop wear material in a few different places, flexibility and it's for wear.
Yep. So we've got that rib knit and the reinforced cuffs, high wear zone. So the rib knit on the back and on the inside of the cuffs as well. That's a staple that we've had the last couple of years.
Nice, yeah. Yep. Anything else innovative on it?
Yeah, so redesign this fabric. So ground up fabric, not losing any durability, but a little bit softer, more comfortable, more breathable overall.
And what about the coils?
Yep.
Are they, is it the HEXON?
Yeah, so it's HEXON. All that technology, that carbon nanotube that we launched last year, 2024, represented over there.
So we did a video on this last year on the carbon HEXON. We talked about it with the vest.
That's right.
It's a much better way to heat. It's more heat coverage, faster, more flexible, less likely to break. Yeah. Where's the battery go?
So same spot here. You've got the battery pocket over here on the side, and you can wrap it around from the back. You can put it in the front depending on what you're doing. So if you're sitting in a vehicle, you can put it in the front. If you're standing up, throw it in the back.
Yeah. Flat battery pack, or does it come with the M12?
So it's kitted with the M12, fully compatible with the flat battery, the heated gear power source that we launched last year.
That battery's awesome.
And that's where you get the app as well.
I ended up for Christmas, I got all my girls heated vests with the flat battery.
Really?
Awesome. They love them.
That's awesome.
This is great. So it's available now.
Available now.
Price? And
$159 for the kit, so that'll come with the M12 2.0 as well as the charger and the battery adapter.
And then the flat battery's like $100.
$99. Yep.
Right?
Yeah, $100.
Okay. Well, this is awesome. Let's keep going.
Yeah.
You got some other things over here. Should we go around these guys?
Yeah, let's go around here. So we've got 2 brand new solutions here. Our heated gloves portfolio. So we had heated gloves in the past, right? And they ran on our red lithium USB platform.
Oh, okay.
This year we have 2 new solutions. So the biggest frustration obviously was not getting enough heat, not staying on long enough, and overall not being comfortable. So we have 2 dedicated solutions this year. This is the heated winter glove. So it's all about insulation, all out warmth, durability. And it's going to ship with this dedicated power source for the gloves. Much more compact, more comfortable, get the runtime and the output for heat that you need. And then the second solution that we can go take a look at here in a minute.
Hold on, let's not leave yet. I want to talk about this. So this is exciting. First of all, this is genius because a lot of times you might be snow blowing or you're working out and shoveling or clearing snow, and it goes right on. You get your fingers in because you're trying to get your fingers in those holes if they're wet or cold.
Yeah.
This is genius. So that was a really nice detail you thought of.
Good to hear.
The battery just slides right in.
Yep.
Plugs in, plugs out. Okay, and this comes standard.
Comes standard.
All right.
1 per glove, yep.
What kind of runtime are we looking at on high or low? What are our options? Is it low, medium, high?
Yeah, low, medium, high. Just like in the past, you got that easy access on the wrist there for the adjustment. So on high, you're going to get 2 hours. On low, you're gonna get closer to 8. If you're in a more moderate condition, because HEXON's adaptable, you're gonna get better run times. So if you're 40, 50 degrees, you're gonna get a much better run time.
And did you mention price?
These are $199 kit. Yep.
$199 is a kit.
Yep.
And it's just, you just plug it in with USB, charge it.
That's right.
Awesome. Yep. And then what do we have over here? Is this kind of showing your breadth of work gloves?
Yeah, so we have the second solution over here with the heated glove liner.
Yeah.
So this is focused on dexterity. One of the biggest challenges with winter gloves is dexterity, right? Being able to do fine tasks, being able to use smaller accessories, things like that. So this is designed to be thinner. It's focused on that dexterity, and then you can layer it. You can layer it under any work glove that you're working with.
Oh, really? Okay. So
that's
you just have to upsize your glove size to get over this, but
yeah, you don't have to, but it's best experience if you
to
do.
get it over.
For sure. Yep.
So this is obviously not waterproof. These feel like driving gloves. You know, they're lightweight.
Yep. Still pretty resistant from the water, but it's not going to be waterproof for sure.
Right.
So if you want to try to layer on, you can as well. Which one you got? Left or right?
Left.
There you go.
And what size?
That's an XL.
XL. So yeah, I usually wear like.
Yeah, there you go.
I usually wear a large.
That's a right.
XL might be needed.
You got the XL liner on.
This one?
The XL liner.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Oh yeah, I probably could have done with the large. So I would probably upsize. My
to a 2X, right?
My gloves. Maybe I'd go 2X because it's tight. But I see your point. You could go 2X, wear this over it, give you a little bit of durability, maybe some waterproofing or just durability.
Whatever you need.
And get your heated. So in here, where are the coils?
So they're on the back of the hand. So they're going to be in the middle here and up all the fingers. So you're going to really get that heat up to the top of the finger.
So why not in the palm? Is it because the veins come in? Is it better to heat on the backside? Like, what's the science behind that?
Yeah, it's definitely a lot more effective to heat on the back. You're going to get, that's where you get cold first.
Yeah.
And then the other part of it is just, that's where you're gripping and using it, right? So you're going to break it down really fast.
Yeah.
You want to keep that heat protected.
So it's protected. So putting is it like HEXON technology on it?
Yep, all of this is HEXON.
So putting it on the back, you're not going to beat it up as much because we're gripping and with touching.
But that's one of the things HEXON allows us to do now, right? These are very flexed garments, so it's a lot more flexible and durable.
That's the whole point of the coil, right? The HEXON coil. Same price point?
So these are $179.
$179.
So a little bit cheaper, yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah. What else do we have here that's new? I know you have some shirts.
So we've got our workwear over here. We have a couple of new things. We just launched, so this is our women's products. Yep. And we just launched in men's. We just launched our Free Flex vest here recently.
How's the feedback on this been?
Women's?
Yeah,
it's been great.
They don't really have a work clothing line for them. They wear men's work clothes. So this is great. It's better, like it's tapered fit.
Yep.
It looks like it's got a longer back a little bit.
Yep.
Different sizing, obviously, for women. That's great.
Yeah, really our focus with the women's was to make sure that they could have products that were the same needs, but they fit correctly and they have the storage they need, right?
So this looks great. Is this new?
Yep, so this just launched here this past month. So this is our Free Flex vest.
I have vest envy.
Lightweight insulated, but then it's got stretch panels here on the side, on the shoulders, so you don't get caught down while you're reaching.
I won't wear this to work. It's almost too nice.
Yeah.
But I'll wear it under something.
And it's really meant to layer.
Yeah.
It's definitely meant to layer.
Because otherwise, you just rip it. Put it under something that is a little more durable to rip stop it.
Yep.
So let me see if we got a large here.
What size do you need?
Large.
Okay, there you go.
So this a large here?
Is it? I don't know. I don't think we have a large in that color. Let me grab one over here.
So this is heated or not heated?
Not heated.
Not heated.
Workwear,
Okay.
Yep.
So not heated vest, new upgrade. I do like the flexibility of the panels here on the side that are nice.
Try this one on?
Yeah, let me just.
So two colors as well.
Let's just see what it looks like. So tan and black.
Yep.
I see a lot. That might actually go to medium. I'm looking now. Zippered pockets. Yeah, I would probably go to a medium for myself, but super comfortable. Are there inside pockets too?
No inside pockets. Really meant to be layered.
So it's meant to be like wear tight. So this would be too big for me. I'd probably go to a medium because you want it to be snug.
For sure.
For the insulating value.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I gotcha.
So what else is new here? And it looks like some different colorings. Or did you already have these colors?
That one's been out in the market. That's our midweight pullover hoodie.
Yeah.
And then we have a couple of things here over on the side.
Over here?
Yep.
Also some hats and.
So we've got our sun hats.
Yep.
So this is launching in the next spring. So it'll hit the market in January, just in time for spring and summer next year.
Okay.
As well as some color expansions in our hooded sun shirts.
All right, yeah. So what the expansions to
Got some
yellow,
high bays, yep.
to orange, and then you have the gray and the tan.
So this sun hat has been a huge request from landscapers and outdoor workers,
Roofers.
right? Roofers for
Guys
sure.
outside,
So
landscaping.
it actually has a built-in sun cape that you can attach.
Does that go on the back for your neck?
That's right. So you can
Yeah.
attach it to anywhere on this hat, obviously, and then you can also attach it to any ball cap.
Yeah.
So it's going to be versatile, right?
Years ago, I would say I'd never be caught dead wearing anything like that. But this summer, we had a heat wave. We were framing a timber frame barn. We were in the sun. We were just dying. I would have worn it.
Yeah.
And then last year, there was a heat wave. We were building another barn, coincidentally, and I would have worn it that week too. I think probably my favorite hat that you guys make though is I'm a big fan of the beanie.
Line beanies.
Yeah, the line beanies. It's just I like the liner over the years. Any of this improved tech? Any of these?
So this is
newer-
returning from last year as well.
Last year's line,
The only
okay.
other couple things that are brand new here, we've got our new gen balaclavas as well as our WORKSKIN beanie.
Okay.
So a little bit made to be worn, low profile,
under
under
a hard hat.
Yep.
Hard hat, yeah. And then the balaclava is the one that goes on your neck and goes.
That's right,
Does it cover
yep.
your whole head or just here?
Whole face up through the nose. Yep.
It'll go over your head and everything. just
Over
like,
your head,
like
yep.
a ski mask. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool. And this is brand new.
Yep. So redesigned, ground up fabric, much more improved moisture wicking. It's going to keep that cold sweat off your body, keep you warm.
Awesome.
Brush lining. Yep.
Before I let you go, the vest, the non-heated vest. What's the price point on that?
That one is $80, $79.99. Yep.
Oh wow! I see people just wearing that around town. It's
Oh,
nice.
yeah.
It's good looking enough. Anything else new here that did we cover?
No, that's it. We hit all of it. Yeah.
Leslie, this was great.
Yeah.
You've got some fun stuff. I really appreciate your time.
Thanks, Rob.
And I know that everybody is curious to see what's coming out. So, yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it. Yeah,
Appreciate it.
we'll see
Thank
you
you,
again.
everybody.